In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the bootloader on a Nothing phone 4a and 4a Pro. In order to go to the bootloader, first we need to restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And then over here, of course, we have the restart option. And once you tap on restart, you will see a restarting text on the screen. Once it disappears, you want to press and hold volume down button. So we're gonna press restart. Now the text is gone, so we're gonna press and hold volume down. And you want to keep holding this button until you see the bootloader. There we go. So now we are in the bootloader. Over here we use volume buttons in order to switch between different options that are being displayed here at the top. And if you want to select something from here, you want to just simply use the power button. If you want to exit the bootloader, all you have to do is make sure that it says start over here at the top and just press the power button to confirm. Your phone is going to quickly restart and go back into the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.